Hello everyone and welcome to another Elliott Wave Charts of the Day video. My name is Elliott. Today is the 5th of August around 10:30 p.m. Eastern Times, and here we go with another Charts of the Day. Charts of the Day, as I always say when I do the video, is a session within Elliott Wave Forecast in which every day we publish one of the 78 instruments that we cover in Elliott Wave Forecast for free. Yesterday was DAX. Today we're going to talk about copper. Copper is part of Group 1, right? And it's updated in 4 times a day in London, New York, midday, right? So you go here with the commodities, you click on copper, and you get the updates in London, New York, midday, Asia, 4 hour dailies and weekly. So our members understand what is the path of copper in every single time frame and understand uh, understand uh, understand what is the right side. Like you see on the weekly here, the right side of copper is bullish, is the right side. And we say we do not recommend selling. So our members understand how to trade. So copper is very interesting. Why? Because copper today traded into new all-time highs when it trade at 674 there. I believe that copper is showing a 5 weeks advance in a conservative wave. In a less conservative wave, copper ended wave 1 here, wave 2 here, is gonna end 5 weeks here, put back, and copper is going to explode soon to the outside, maybe reaching areas around 14, 17, even 25 in the next few years. Downgrading copper and concentrating here, copper is reacting out of our blue box area, which happened to be on June 24. Copper from there did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 swing and oscillation, 3 weeks pullback, and now traded into new all-time highs. I believe that for the rest of the week and the beginning of the next, copper is going to stay higher in a series of 4 and 5. And right now, the next target in copper here, it will be when the wave 3 equal the wave 1 around 691. Right there, copper should be ending the wave 3 in red. Downgrading it even more, we go to the 1 hour, and the 1 hour we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with an extended 5 and 1 in black, 2, 1, 2, the 3 and 4, and now we should be on the wave 4 and the wave 5 in blue. From there, this is one of the paths. Depending on the next data, these 3 and 4 can become another next. But regardless, we're gonna see more upside in copper that it should take it in the next few sessions to a target around 692, 724, and from there we should see a putback. The trade is buying any short-term putback in copper, looking for the areas that we highlight here around 699, 724 area. Very technical trade in copper. If you like the video, as I always say, join us. Click on Elliott Wave Forecast, 14-day trials here for just $9.99. Also, you can buy the regular plan, the membership plan, 99, 199, 299, or 399 per month. Enjoy the video. Have a good night, everyone. Thank you guys all.